guys, welcome to our channel. For today's video, we will mix mustard yellow for interior concrete wall. Mustard yellow is lively, warm, and sunny. It's a favorite among designers who love to go bold and use it as their anchor color. Else, mustard can add necessary contrast to a more muted central color scheme of your bedroom and create a balanced look. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter of mustard yellow semi-gloss latex mix for interior concrete wall. Let us start by pouring gloss latex Hansa yellow. Next, we also put semigloss latex white. Then, let's also add acrylic color raw sienna. Stir the paint very well to see the color result. It's almost the same. Let us add more gloss latex Hansa yellow, semi-gloss latex white, and acrylic color raw sienna until it is fully 1 liter. Let's take a look if the color is mustard already. Let's add a little more Hansa yellow, white, and raw sienna. Okay, let's stick together color Hansa yellow and the mustard yellow to see the difference. mustard yellow already. Mixing accomplished. If you like and enjoy watching our videos, please support us by clicking the subscribe button below. Until next paint mixing tutorial. Thank you for watching.